Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to promote affiliate products on Reddit. So Reddit is a community platform. If we analyze the Reddit on SimilarWeb, it gets 1.54 billion of total visits. Also 49% of traffic or 49% of users come from United States. That means there has huge opportunity to promote affiliate products on Reddit. But you must consider few things before you start to promote any affiliate product on Reddit. If you try to spam or just try to paste your affiliate URL on Reddit, your account will ban and you will never make money. We are promoting affiliate product on Reddit. So watch this whole video and I will show you the step-by-step process of promote any affiliate product without get banned. First of all, you have to register with Reddit. To do that, click on sign up and you can join with your Google account or you can enter email and click on continue. So don't continue with Apple because we are going to promote products on Reddit. We are not going to create a brand or create a personal profile. So always pick this Gmail method. So I already have a Reddit account. I will log into that Reddit account. Okay, now I am in my Reddit account. So before you post anything, you have to get karma. So currently I have 2.8k karma. I will show you how to grab this karma. If you create this Reddit account for first time, your karma point will be 0 or 1. But we have to increase this karma if we want to promote product, because we have to make our account legit and not spammy. So in Reddit there has communities called subreddits. You can join with those communities. So there has community called r/upwork. This is a subreddit community. Also there has lot of subreddits like this, so you can join with those subreddits. So if I click on this drop down, here is a subreddit I already joined. To find subreddits, you can search on here. So to grab lot of karmas, we have to post on those subreddits. When we post on those subreddits, people will upvote our post. As example, if I like this subreddit post, I can click on this up arrow. So when someone click on that up arrow on my post, my karma amount will be increased by 1. So if 100 people upvote for my post, I will get 100 karmas. So this is the strategy to collect lot of karmas. So first of all, we have to find engaging and quality communities that allow to share posts. So if we want to get lot of karmas, we can use meme subreddit and motivational pictures or funny pictures subreddit. As example, if I search here funny pig and press enter, I will get subreddit called funny pigs. So there has lot of members on those subreddit. Also I can click on view more and check other subreddit. Then I can go inside those subreddit. You can join with those subreddit if you want, or you can click on this subreddit link or subreddit name. Then you can click on create post and upload your image to here. Then you can, I will dismiss this. You can post the image. Let me show you the step-by-step process. So I am going to search motivational peak. Then I go to this subreddit called motivational peak. In here I am going to upload an motivational picture. So I click on create post and I will go to image and video tab. In here I will click on upload, or I can drag the image to here. To do that, I will go to pictures. In pictures I have this motivational picture, so I will drag it here and it will upload, and I will add title like remove L and I click on post. Okay, it's posted. If I go to this motivational picture subreddit, I will see my post here. So if someone click on this upward icon, I will grab the karmas. So this is the easy and fast way to get lot of karma. So find subreddits that allow to post pictures. So memes and funny pictures are working well to get karmas. After you collect those karmas, you can select a niche and try to promote affiliate product. So let's find an affiliate product. To do that, I go to Digistore 24 and click on marketplace. So you can use other affiliate network like Clickbank, JVSU or any other platform, but I am going to use Digistore24. In Digistore24 you can find products according to categories. I already have video about how to find high quality product on Digistore24. Feel free to check. So in this example I am going to promote products on dating, love and relationship category. In here I will promote his secret obsession affiliate product. So you can't just copy this affiliate URL and put it on subreddit on Reddit. You have to create a landing page. I already have videos about how to create free landing page using Wix, Google site or Blogger. So refer those videos and create free landing page. I already have a landing page. Let me go to that landing page. Okay, I already have this landing page to promote his secret obsession product. As example, if someone click on this image or click on this button, he or she will redirect to the presentation or sales page of his secret obsession affiliate product. So I will promote this URL on Reddit. To do that, I have to find subreddits related to love and relationship or subreddits that allow to promote anything. So as example, I will search like relationship advice and press enter. I will get lot of subreddits related to relationship advice. So if we go to this relationship advice subreddit, we can post the content or we can comment for those other people's content. So when you promote any links or add any links, you have to check the community guideline, because some of Reddit communities or subreddits not allow you to share any URL. So if we go to create post area, you will see the rules and guideline of this community. So you have to create or you have to post content on this subreddit according to these rules and guidelines. This is the first thing you must do. Also you have to give value before you promote your affiliate URL. As example, you can go to plr.com and find content related to relationship. So I press Ctrl F and search relationships. In here we have relationships category. In this category you can find lot of articles related to relationship. Also if you promote other type of product that related to health or fitness niche or educational or any other niche, you can do the same concept to promote products related to your niche. So if I click on easy tip to have a happy relationship, I can copy this header and go to subreddit. Okay, let's remove this part, and also you can copy this content and paste it on here. Now I will remove this part. At the end of the article you can share something like PS, and then you can go to Digistore24 and affiliate support page. In affiliate support page you can get sample emails and other content. So in here let me go to text and newsletter ad. Okay, I will copy this text and put this text on here, and I will highlight this. Click here to discover what man secretly wants part and click on this link symbol. Now I can copy my landing page URL and paste it on here. Then I can click on insert. Now I have link here and I have quality article here. Then you can click on request to post. Actually this subreddit need approval from admins, so you have to find other subreddits that allow to promote affiliate products. So I will search subreddit called anything. In this anything subreddit you can, let's go to anything goes unlimited and discard this post. In here there are no rules, post anything you desire. That means you can post anything. So in this example I will create the article on this subreddit and post it, but in your case you have to find high quality subreddit according to your category. So I will go to here and copy the title, paste it on here, remove this part, then copy this content, then paste it on here. Now remove this one too, then at the end paste and copy this part and convert this to link, and that link will be my landing page URL like this, and I can click on post. So this is the way to promote any affiliate product on Reddit. Just find subreddits related to your affiliate product. After that, give value to that subreddit and try to promote products according to the rules of that subreddit. So I hope you get valuable information. If you need more videos related to affiliate marketing and make money online, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And if this video helpful, make sure to share this video and like it. I will see you in next time.